I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Fibonacci retracement in Tradingview. Open Tradingview, load your chart, and choose the Fibonacci retracement tool from the left toolbar to begin. Click the swing high, then the swing low to draw the levels and adjust anchors for cleaner levels. Use the 61, 8%, 50%, and 2% zones as primary areas to watch for entries, exits, and confirmations. Open the Fibonacci tool settings to fine-tune which retracement percentages are shown and how they appear. Toggle levels such as 23, 6% or 78, 6% on or off based on the asset and your time frame. Change colors and line thickness so important zones stand out visually, and save a template so you can reuse the same look across charts without redoing settings every time. Treat Fibonacci retracement as a zone, not a precise line, and wait for price action confirmations before committing. Use signals like pin bars, engulfing patterns, or indicator confluence from RSI or moving averages to validate entries. Place stop losses beyond the next Fibonacci level and map profit targets at favorable retracement zones to maintain a disciplined risk-reward approach while trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.